Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to publish and share our Power BI desktop report to the Power BI service. So this is my Power BI desktop report. To publish it to the Power BI service, you click on this publish icon and that will bring up a dialog box. So basically it's asking you to select where you want to publish it to. If you're working within an organization, you may have a specific workspace listed. In that case, you need to select that workspace and then publish it there. In this example here, I've just got the default workspace, which is called my workspace. So I'm going to select that to publish the report to. If you've already published the report, you will get a prompt telling you that that data set has already been published. So you'll be asked whether you want to replace it. So I'm going to click select and I'll wait for it. So it's telling me now that I already have that data set. So do I want to replace it? I'm just going to click replace, but you should not get this unless you've already got that data set in the Power BI service. So I'm going to click replace and I'll wait for it to publish. So it tells me what it is publishing. That's the name of my report. You can see it up here as well. It's telling me success. So in order to open the report, which is called this, so I click on the link and that will take me to my web browser. It opens up another web browser window and giving me the prompt to sign into the Power BI service. So the Power BI service, it will have your username there and then just click on your username. This is my username. I'll click on that and then I'll just enter my password and click sign in, and it's telling me signed in. So I just click on that. So now that should have signed me into the Power BI service. Now, if I look inside this browser here, is my Power BI service. As you can see, the report from my Power BI desktop is now being displayed in the Power BI service. So that is the beauty of publishing reports from your Power BI desktop to the Power BI service, because it enables you to share the report with members of your team or whoever you want to share the report with. Another way that you can share your report is by directly loading the file into the Power BI service. So if you look down here, there is an option here called Get Data. So click on that link and it gives you different options. So if you want to discover apps published by other people, you can use that. But in my case, I want to pick up the local file that we've just published. So you click on Get and you've got different options. So in my case, I would have to click on this local file to pick up the file that I have just published. I am not actually going to load any file, but I just wanted to show you the options available for you to share your data inside the Power BI service. The Power BI home screen, which is the screen you're looking at, shows you some useful information, shows you favorites and the frequencies. Like this is my first report. I've got another report here, and then under recents shows you what you have accessed recently. If you don't see this information, just click on this Power BI icon here and that will show you this welcome screen. Now that you know how to create and share reports, you can use your imagination to tell stories using data and share them within your entire organization. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.